Welcome back to my channel. In this video we will try to see a fancy use of spin button which is present by default in Microsoft Excel. We will try to link this quantity column with the spin button so that it looks more attractive. For that we will go to Developer tab and insert. In the fourth position we will find the spin button. Just tick that, draw a spin button according to the liking. Place it comfortably wherever you like that, and let's make two more copy of that, and we can place it like this and maybe like this. Okay, we can shorten this. Okay, so we are having the spin buttons. Now we need to just right click on a single spin button, go to format control, and for the cell link we will provide this quantity link. So we will click over this and the quantity cell, and we will say okay. So at the moment you will do that, you will find it going back to the default value of 0. So you can make it according to whatever you like. So maybe 50, and it will be updated. Now this button will be working perfectly fine. Now you can increase it, you can decrease it, and it will be updating automatically. So you can do this for the remaining buttons, but you have to do that manually for each buttons. So this will make the data presentation very nice. So yes, that was a short video regarding this fancy use of spin button. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share this video among those who are interested to know exciting stuffs inside Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you all, guys.